Now calculating the working for calls in arrears. It is compulsory to do this working. Remember, if you skip this working, 100% your question has gone wrong. I can guarantee you. Plus, for every single shareholder who has not paid some money, you have to do this separately for every single shareholder, no matter how easy the question seems to be. So, for example, there is a shareholder called Ramesh. He has not paid the allotment and call money. So, for Ramesh, I'll do the working for allotment as well as call. So, how will I go about it? I'll keep face value and premium separately. Please keep them separately, otherwise, you will make a mistake in the forfeiture entry. So, I will see how many shares were allotted to Ramesh, and so say suppose 3000 shares were allotted to Ramesh, and I will see how much is the face value on allotment. Say suppose face value on allotment was 7, so the total amount due on allotment from Ramesh is 21,000. Now I'll see how much is the premium money that is due from Ramesh. So on 3000 shares, say suppose premium on allotment is 1, so I'll multiply it with 1 and I'll get 3000. So basically I'll use these formulas to calculate how much is the amount due on allotment, the face value and the premium part. Then I will see how much is the excess adjusted, meaning how much I have already received from Ramesh. So how will you go this? In the oversubscription table, to whichever category Ramesh belongs, I will do the working there itself. So suppose Ramesh was belonging in this category and Ramesh was allotted 23,000 shares, say suppose, okay, and oh sorry, Ramesh was allotted say suppose 3000 shares. So I will do the entire working. So I'll find the number of shares applied. So I'll cross multiply 34,000 into 3000 divided by 30,000. So I will do 34,000 into 3000 divided by 30,000. So this means Ramesh had applied for 3400, he was allotted 3000. I will keep doing this working and I will see how much money is mentioned in the excess column for allotment. Whatever money is written here, that I will use for calls and arrears adjustment. So say suppose there 2250 is written, so I will minus 2250 from here, okay, and I will get what is the net amount still not recovered from Ramesh for face value and premium. Say suppose the excess that was mentioned in the table was more than 21,000. Suppose it was 24,000 mentioned here, so 21,000 I will mention minus from face value and the remaining 3,000 I will minus from here. Suppose that and this is in the scenario when the excess mentioned in the oversubscription table in allotment for Ramesh was say suppose 24,000, then in that case only up to 21,000 I will minus here and the remaining 3,000 I will minus here. I'm just taking an imaginary number and I will find the calls and arrears. Now similar case I will do for Ramesh the call money. Now when I am adjusting this amount, I am adjusting the amount which I am showing in the oversubscription table against Ramesh and in the whatever amount I have written in the call column if any. So I will do this working for calls and arrears.